Okay, YouTubers, Tektronix 465B Oscilloscope. Got some funky traces on here. So what I have is the horizontal plates shorted out with a jumper wire. These little clip lead. And I'm in 1 millisecond time division. Okay. That's my setting, and my two dots, as you can see, are centered on the screen. Let me get back over here, take these off, and you can see where they are now. Let's put it back on. Yeah, let's put it in XY mode. And we're still centered. Let's see if I'm back on. Too far over. Back to 1 millisecond. Okay, let's take that off. Now we want to do, that was test point 89 and 90 on the horizontal amplifier circuit, which is schematic 10 out of the manual. So you know, 87 and 88. I'm going to have to locate those. Pin 8 and pin 11. Of the U4269 DNC integrated circuit, which is essentially 5 looks like NPN transistors. And we could clip on it resistor R4266 and R4267. See if I can find those on the board layout. (4266). 4267. (4266) is right there. 4267 is right there. So I'll put a clip lead on there. And it looks like we go back to center, which should be a good thing. Let's go to XY mode. There's XY mode. And let's go back. 1 millisecond. I'll take this off. And the next one was let's see, there's something I'm supposed to do here. Put this clip lead back on. And let's see, if we adjust the mag registration, what do we get? That's fully counterclockwise already. Let's turn it clockwise. That's fully clockwise. So mag registration doesn't seem to do anything there. Well, let's take that back off. Again, that was test points 87 and 88. Now let's do 85 and 86, which comes off pin 1 of U4269A and pin 5 of that same chip. Okay, or the base of 4273 and the base of Q4274, which are right here. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is there. Put a clip onto these resistors to get a better connection. So there we are there, test point 85 and 86. And let's try the mag registration, which is currently centered right now. Clockwise, fully counterclockwise, clockwise, fully counterclockwise, and roughly center. Nothing. Okay, so let's put that in XY mode. In XY mode, and we'll try fully counterclockwise mag registration, clockwise mag registration, center mag registration. Alright, so let's remove that clip lead from test points 85 and 86. Okay. And let's press the beam finder switch. That's the beam finder switch while we're in XY mode. And if we go back up to 1 millisecond and press the beam finder. Beam finder out, beam finder in, beam finder out, beam finder in. Okay. And the switch itself.